Hello there, it's Mina here. I studied how to use technology to make teaching and learning experiences fun and awesome, making education more accessible and inclusive. My goal is to help you do the same. Today, I'm going to show you a new tool that brings your students' drawing to life. We all know young students love to draw. It's often one of their first creative passions. Imagine if you could make their drawing move, like in a cartoon or a video game. Sounds awesome, right? Well, with a new tool called Animated Drawings by Meta, you can do just that. All you need is a picture of a drawing, and the tool will turn it into an animation that can walk, dance, fight, and more. Just make sure the drawing looks like a human. That means it needs to have arms, legs, and a head. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how it works with a robot drawing I made. More so, I will highlight how early elementary teachers can incorporate it into their lessons. I've got this cute little robot I drew earlier. Damn! And the first step was to take a picture of it and send it to my desktop. So we are ready to upload it. Once you upload, the AI will start by identifying the borders of your image. You may need to adjust it a bit, but it's pretty good to me. After that, it figures out where the arms, legs, and head are. And in just a few clicks, my robot is moving. The AI offers different animation to choose from. For example, my robot can do a flying kick and even, wait for it, dance, like it's doing the wave. It's super fun to see it in action. This tool isn't just for fun. It's also great for telling stories. For example, you can ask students, why is your character running? Or, what is it dancing for? These questions will help them create creative stories and make their drawings even more interesting. Alright friends, that's all I have for you today. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on bringing technology into your classroom. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use this tool, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.